welcome to Miss Evans' math class. In this video, I'm going to be explaining what proportional and non-proportional relationships look like on word problems, tables, and graphs. A proportional relationship is a relationship between two quantities in which the ratio of one quantity to the other quantity is constant. Constant means a fixed value and it does not change. A non-proportional relationship is where two quantities are equivalent. Looking at proportional relationships and word problems, it says a plumbing company charges $18 per hour. What does per mean? Per means for each or every. Are we talking about more than one thing? No, we are not. So this word problems show proportionality. An equation, y equals 18 times x. What does this equation look like? They use the formula y equals kx, which is direct variation. 18 is k, which is constant. We are talking about one thing in this equation. In tables, we have our x value and our y value. We need to find k, the constant. How will we do that? We take y equals k times x, which is direct variation. I'm going to divide by x because I need k by itself. Now I have k equals y over x. Now I'm going to plug my numbers into k equals y over x. So I have 10 as my y value and 5 as my x value. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 12 as my y value, 6 as my x value. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 14 as my y, 7 as my x. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Does this table show proportionality? Yes, it does. All of the values are the same. When we are finding proportionality in graphs, there are some things that we are always going to look for. The line always goes through the origin. And the origin is 0, 0. When we are talking about proportionality in graphs, ordered pairs will be constant. Constant meaning equal, the same. In this graph, does the line go through the origin? Yes, it does. So this graph shows proportionality. Moving back up to non-proportional relationships and word problems. It says a plumbing company charges a service charge of $40 and $18 per hour. How many things are we talking about in this problem? We have a service charge of $40. That's one thing. And a $18 per hour charge. That's two things. In proportionality, we are only talking about one thing. So in this word problem, they are talking about two things. This does not show proportionality. In this equation, we have y equals 18x plus 40. 18 is our constant, right? That's our k. But now we have this plus 40. We're adding 40. This is multiplying plus addition. This does not show proportionality. In tables, again, we have our x and our y values. We're going to use the same formula. K equals y over x to find k constant. I have my y value of 4, my x value of 5. 4 over 5, is that a pretty number? No, that is not. So we leave that as 4 over 5. My next y value is 6, x value 1. 6 divided by 6 is 1. I have my y value of 8, x value of 7. 8 divided by 7 is 1 and 1, 7. Are these k values the same? No, they are not. So this is not constant, and it does not show proportionality. And graphs, remember, the line is always going to go through the origin. And if we need to check ourselves, we can put our ordered pairs and find the constant. The constants will always be equal. Does this line go through the origin? No, it does not. So this is not constant. Now let's look at some examples. On my first graph, I have my line. This does in fact go through 0, 0, which is the origin. So this does show proportionality. On my second graph, my line crosses the y-axis at 2. Does this show proportionality? No, it does not. It does not go through the origin. On tables, we need to find k, the constant value. The formula for that is k equals y over x. My first y value is 20. My x value is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Next value, 30 and 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 45 and 9. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 50 and 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Does this table show proportionality? Yes, it does. All of the k's are equal, they are the same. So this table shows proportionality. On my second table, same thing. We're going to take k equals y over x. My first y value is 24. My x value is 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. My second y value is 34. X is 6. 34 divided by 6 is 5.6. 49 divided by 9 is 5.4. 54 divided by 10 is 5.4. Does this table show direct variation? Are my k's the same? Well, these two are the same, but all of them have to be the same for this table to show proportionality. So no, this table does not show proportionality. Now let's go to Google Classroom and complete the assignment, non-proportional and proportional.